had an objection from a member of the audience to my election as president of council because I am not a citizen or a resident of the borough of Lawrence. I would like to put a stop to that immediately, if not sooner, because that is a very slanderous statement.
It's a true statement. Everybody knows.
I'm talking. Nobody's asking you a question.
Well, listen, I know how to talk. I don't have to listen.
No one's then leave. All I'm saying is that I do not want to hear that again. I am a bona fide resident of the state of Pennsylvania, the borough of Blawnox. I live at 435 Freeport Road, have for the last 40-some years, and I continue to live there. I am not a resident of Florida, and just because I got a house down there doesn't make me a resident of Florida. So I do not wish to hear that ever again, or you will find yourself in court so quick it will make your head spin. Because I am tired of your rational, irrational observations and allegations that I'm stealing money from the borough, which you made in front of witnesses, which you just seem to want to rattle off anything you can say that comes out of that head of yours. And that's where you get in trouble around here. I've had enough of that, and I do not want to hear any more slander coming out of your mouth. Okay? Or you will pay the consequences. Enough said.
Yeah, that if you went over there into this spot over there,
That's for my, this is small device, it's not in a tripod.
Still the same place. Still the same place.
She's not blocking anybody.
Right.
It's still the same place. They're working that out with the ACLU, but until that's worked out, we ask that you please come over there if you're going to use that.
That's too far over. You can't get in.
That's the designated place, and she knew that when she came here from the last meeting, and we just don't want to.
We had the same camera, this particular camera right here last
If you
meeting.
were using it last meeting,
Right.
I didn't recognize it. You should not.
There was two camera devices, this size.
You should go over there where it's designated.
Nothing.
You spent
nothing.
$30,000.
Give me a hard
I
time.
don't even want to talk to you.
I don't talk to you
You're
either,
a
but you have
nitwit.
to listen.
You are a complete nitwit.
And you know what you are? No paying taxes in Blawnox, okay? That's what you are.
Roanox and you've ever paid in your life. Laugh!
How much?
Laugh and then get your broom out and ride home.
Yeah, you better do that.
Turn it off. You're not signed in prior to the meeting
Well,
starting.
yes, the meeting
You
didn't
didn't call
start
the meeting in
yet.
order yet.
I am calling the meeting to order.
Well, yeah, but we still have a second.
Nobody's here recording.
I'm
According
calling
to
a
this,
cop if you don't let us do it.
I'm going to call the cops on you if you don't sit down and quit interfering with me and the obligation of my
The
duty.
meeting did not start yet, and you won't let her sign.
Make the call.
You just took it, you
Please
didn't
do
call
it.
it
Make
in
the
order.
call. Make the
didn't call
call.
Call the police, 911.
They're going to come and they're going to take you out of here. If you don't sit
Let
down and be
her
quiet
have to do. Let her sign that paper.
prior to the meeting. I'm ready to call the meeting to
The meeting did
order.
not
didn't do it
start
yet.
Listen
yet.
to me.
It's
You're
not
not
called
listening
officially.
to me. Please listen to me. Prior to the meeting,
It is
this
prior.
needs to be signed in. You, by
I
trying to get
I
this
don't need
done,
to sign it in because
by
I told
time-
you the whole year that I
by
wasn't here.
time,
You have my autograph to be a police officer.
you're out of order. I'm going to ask you to leave.
I'm calling
didn't
the
start
I'm
cops.
asking you to leave.
I'm calling the
You're out
cops.
of order. Peggy, you're out of order. I'm asking both of you to leave
I was
right
not
now.
out of order.
You are out of order. I deem you out of order.
It didn't even start yet.
I can't start it with all this confusion. That's why you're out of order.
24 hours is against the sunshine law. That's breaking a law. So I don't want to break the law together with you.
To tell me I'm breaking the law. If you got a problem with what I'm doing, there are other recourses other than disturbing my meeting.
You are our public servant, so we have a
No,
full
I'm not
right
your
to
public
tell
servant. You
you.
don't pay one nickel
You
in
have a
taxes.
full right. We have a
You
full
don't-
right
you're
to
not
tell
name's
you
not on
how
the
to
deed
serve
down
the
there.
community.
You're just a
And
live-in down there.
You
You
have
don't even pay tax.
you have obligation to go by the borough code book
Right. Now,
and study
turn it
it.
off. No.
I refuse to turn it
You're
off.
going to turn it off now. Okay?
Why? I
Because
signed my.
you
I-
signed a false name, Thomas Jefferson. No. You're done. Shut it off.
I have my initials.
Call the police.
My initials are there.
That's not your name, Thomas Jefferson. This is the third time you've done it, okay? You're not taping tonight.
I have my
You're not
initials.
taping tonight.
I have my initials and I have approval from
Turn
the
it off
ACLU.
now, or the police are
I
going to
have
make you turn it
approval
off.
from ACLU.
The ACLU don't run this place. I run this place.
No, people
Council
run this
people.
place.
Council
People run this place. People own the
No,
place.
we're
They pay
elected.
taxes here.
We've been elected by the people to run the place, not you.
So you're forcing me instead of my
I'm not
initial
forcing you to do anything.
to put my name, so my initial is
No,
not
it's
good
not
enough?
good enough. I don't know who MB is.
Yeah, you know my name.
No, I don't.
You know my name.
I don't
You know that
really
I
know
will be
who you
here
are.
the whole year.
You
You're
don't.
breaking
You weren't
the
even
law.
born
You're
in this
breaking
country.
a
You
law
can't
of the
even
Constitution.
speak English.
Really? So you're telling me I'm not American? I'm as much as better American than you are.
I don't think so.
So
We have
you
rules.
demanding
You're either
my
going to
name.
shut it off now, or you're out of here.
So,
You're
so under what
shutting it off.
conditions I can keep it running?
Listen,
If you want my full
Close.
name,
No,
right?
close it. It's over. It's over. I am being under surveillance against my will. I want it stopped now. I want that out of here. I want it turned off at least.
Can you turn it off till I read the rules? Do you have a problem with that?
Officer, at 6 o'clock, meeting starts. I put my cell phone here with the time on. It was 2 minutes after 6 when I turned that on. So I go by the rules. That says when the meeting starts, meeting is scheduled for 6 o'clock.
I'm asking you if you have a problem, turn it off until I read the rules. Would that be fine?
I don't want you to break the Sunshine Law and the
I'm not breaking
Constitution.
anything.
It's a
I'm not
breaking of
anything.
law
I'm
because,
waiting to read the rules.
well, only if the sheriff comes here or your boss to tell me. If you get Mr. Buca, then we'll talk to him. If he tells me that you are ruling accordingly to the law, then I'll shut it
No,
off.
he is a police officer. You'll do what he tells you to do, or you're going to jail. It's not debatable. You want to make up your own rules and make everybody else adhere to your rules. But you refuse.
It's a people's rule.
You refuse to follow anybody else's rules.
We also can correct you when you are not following law. May I ask a question? What should I do
No.
now?
Out of here, or I'll take it out of here.
Sam.
Yeah,
Get it out of here, please.
he wants me to take it out.
Do I have to have a heart attack over
No,
these people?
I'm asking you to sit down.
Well, then let's get it done.
Police officer is correcting him to
Can't
sit
even
down
hold a
because
meeting.
he's being violent, not me.
Let's go.
The ACLU doesn't run this place.
Right. Okay.
Malia,
Well,
please.
the police officer tells me
I'm
to come
asking
out.
you to come out with me, please.
Okay. What should I do now at this point?
Go to jail.
Okay.
pretty
Talk to
soon.
him. What about the device? I can take the device with me out.
You're taking
Okay.
the device with you.